This is Jack Turk, the mad scientist of direct response copy, and we're in the KMM Direct Digital Labs downstairs, my secret lair. And today's digital lab experiment is number 7, the AI generated Franken-Copy method. Basically, it's how to hack some of the world's best sales copy and reassemble it into your own killer offer. So, the objective today is instead of writing copy from scratch, we're going to use AI to Frankenstein an irresistible sales message by strategically assembling the best elements from multiple high-performing ads and letters. This experiment will prove that great copy isn't written, it's hacked, spliced, and reassembled into a powerful new form. Now, you have the by the way, I'll include in this video a link to these lab instructions. Now, why this matters? Well, honestly, many copywriters, marketers, small business owners, they struggle to write persuasive copy because they believe you need to start fresh. The answer is no. Totally wrong. The best copywriters don't write, they steal smart by borrowing structures, headlines, and persuasion techniques that have already worked. AI makes this 10 times faster by helping us analyze, extract, and rebuild the best elements from different sources into one ultra-persuasive pitch. So your lab equipment, the tools that you'll use are ChatGPT today, a swipe file, or some high converting sales copy. This can be from classic sales letter ads or top performing emails. And then you'll need your offer. So let's go through the experiment step by step. Step 1 is enter the lab and open ChatGPT and paste in 3 to 5 pieces of high performing sales copy. All right, so I'm going to go in to ChatGPT, and let's just give a little bit of a prompt too. I am going to ask you to examine some great examples of effective sales copy. You will need to do an analysis, and in a moment, I'll ask you to use that analysis to help me write some copy for my offer. Do you understand? Got it. Okay. Yep. Send me some copy examples. So I'm going to find some examples. I actually have tons and tons. I'm going to go to my computer. Let's see where this took me to. So we're going to go to my desktop. Might need to move this a little bit. I'll move my face here. Desktop and copy tools. I've got copy. Let's see, where was it? Copy tools. Oh, great letters, swipe files, great letters. Got some great letters. Dan's letter on mind hijacking was a fantastic sales piece that he did for an event he did long ago. Not that long ago, actually. Here's a letter from Psychology Today they used. A Joe Sugarman ad is fantastic. Here's a Halbert letter. I mean, anything with Gary Halbert was just incredible. And Thomas Hall, another great letter that was more in the financial markets. So this is actually kind of an interesting experiment because these are from all different markets. The Kennedy one was to people interested in copywriting and small business owners, magnetic marketing people. The Psychology Today was like, selling their magazine. Joe Sugarman's was like for the sunglasses. Thomas Hall letter was for financial services, financial advice, and Halbert's was the famous $1 bill letter. So we're going to use that. We're going to upload all those. Of course, you got an unknown error. I might have tried to do too many. So let's see what we got. Didn't like that one. I think I might have tried to upload too many all at once. So I didn't like. It's got Kennedy. Let's just ask him. Let's just try a different one. We got Kennedy and we have Joe Sugarman. Let's get to Halbert. Maybe just do one at a time. Nope, didn't like that either. Okay. Well, this is a live experiment. Let's just go with these two. These are two different, totally different type of people. This works. I'm going to choose my prompt. No sense keeping going on with this forever. So analyze these copy examples for the most powerful. So here's my prompt. Going here and extract the most powerful headlines for my offer. My offer is going to be a a service, a copywriting service that creates. No, I don't want to do that. What I'm going to do is for a service to build a custom GPT that can write in your voice a digital doppelganger that help for marketers who want to create more content using AI. So, all right, so that's my offer. Let's see what this does. It's going to create a sales message. Kennedy, the most dangerous 2 days in seminar with Dan Kennedy ever. This isn't soft serve sales and persuasion. Sugarman, breakthrough, emphasizing innovation, uniqueness. Sugarman, couldn't believe my eyes. Key takeaways in our offer: bold, almost daring positioning. Make the reader feel like they're entering an exclusive, dangerous, or powerful realm. Use words like breakthrough, dangerous, hijacking, powerful. Couldn't believe my eyes. All designed to create intrigue and urgency. Position the product exclusive, not for the faint of heart. Opening hooks that grab attention. If you're receiving this advanced invitation, it's a safe bet we know each other, maybe well, or that you have specifically requested it because at least you know me. There's virtually no risk in using it, but there's a lot of risk in talking about it. I put on these sunglasses, stepped aside, and couldn't believe what I saw. Key takeaways: start with familiarity or exclusivity. Make the reader feel like they're already in. So you know what you're getting here is this is a lesson in copywriting. Introduce an element of danger or forbidden knowledge. Use future pacing, suggesting transformation or unexpected experience. Persuasive techniques used. Here again, future pacing and dream painting. Imagine where you can. Slippery slope, which is Sugarman. First, I thought it was a gimmick. Then I tried it. Now I can't live without it. Skepticism handling by Sugarman. I thought it was nonsense, but then scarcity and exclusivity. Not for everyone. If you're squeamish, stop reading now. Power positioning by Kennedy. This is advanced. If you can't handle it, leave now. Social proof and authority. Both of them use this. Testimonials, references, price anchoring. Most high-end glasses cost you $200. You get these for just $49.95. Key takeaways for our offer: future pacing, skepticism handling, scarcity, calls to action, knock your place right now. Try for 30 days. There's a strict deadline. If you miss it, pay more. Key takeaways for our offer: command styles, calls to action, secure your digital twin here today. Click here to start. Try it for 30 days. Enroll now. So here's a new original sales message inspired by these above techniques. Warning, this may change how you create content forever. Introducing the digital doppelganger, your AI-powered content cloning system. Imagine this. You sit down at the computer, but instead of struggling to write another blog post, sales page, or email sequence, your AI-powered digital twin has already done it for you. And the best part? It sounds exactly like you. Your voice, your tone, your style, so authentic that you can't even tell the difference. If you think that AI can't write like you, think again. I was skeptical too. AI generated content, it's all robotic, generic, and lifeless until I saw my own words, my own voice, and my own style recreated perfectly. This isn't ChatGPT. This is a fully customized digital doppelganger built exclusive to write as you, for you, so you never have to stare at a blank page ever again. Not for everyone, but you're serious about dominating your market, read on. If the thought of automating your content while keeping your authentic voice intact excites you, then you're exactly who this is for. But if you're comfortable wasting hours crafting every single piece of content manually, this isn't for you. Why every serious marketer needs this now. Future pacing. Imagine never had to write another blog, sales letter, or email from scratch. Authority and power positioning. Again, these are telling me where to use these. Biggest markets are using the AI to scale their content production. Are you? Include risk reversal. Try for 30 days and sound like you pay nothing. Price anchoring, hiring copyright in your voice. $5,000 a month. Spending hours doing yourself. Priceless. Your digital doppelganger. A fraction of that. Final warning, if you wait, you pay more. This is an exclusive opportunity to get a custom-built AI that writes like you before the price goes up. Lock in your spot today before it's too late. Click below. This sales message holds the bold impact tile Kennedy by integrating Sherman's objection handling, future pacing, and price anchoring, making it an irresistible offer for marketers looking to scale their content. Not, and that wants me to ask, if I want to refine things, not half bad. So AI generates it, so I can actually give it. So if I want to do, so I'm going to throw in this. We'll just try this. Make this more engaging to target audience by add an element. Okay, so let's put this in. Make this more engaging for book authors and thought leaders. Book bloggers, thought leaders, and coaches, and add an element of urgency. And it's rewriting this, and again, it added a little bit for thought. Your AI-powered content cloning system for thought leaders, authors, and coaches. Pretty much the same thing, but add a little bit more urgent. The content gap is growing, and you're falling behind. The biggest names in your industry are already leveraging AI to dominate their space. More content equals more visibility, more clients, readers, and impact. If you don't keep up, you'll be left behind. Limited spots. So added a little bit more to it, not bad. This is an interesting way to use AI. Again, it's good to have it do analysis before it actually does the work. I think Sam Altman said so many people use AI as like a database. They use ChatGPT as data. Instead, you should be using it for analysis. Find ways to use ChatGPT and other LLMs for analysis to give you insights into why things work. Till next time, innovate, automate, dominate.